guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing a recipe for Guyanese plait bread. To get started, here I have some all-purpose flour. I'll be using some milk, vanilla extract, melted butter. I have some yeast, salt, and sugar. Let's get started. Next, we'll combine all the dry ingredients, which is the salt and the sugar. We'll add it to the flour and mix the combine. Then we'll combine all the wet ingredients. We will add our butter and vanilla extract to the milk. And I did save a little bit of the sugar to add to the milk. I'm using fast rise yeast, so I don't need to proof it first. But the reason I am combining it to the liquids is so it can be evenly distributed throughout the bread. Once we've combined everything, we will add the wet to the dry ingredients and we'll form a nice soft dough. Once the dough comes together, we'll lay it onto our floured surface and we'll knead for about 5 minutes. You don't have to knead this very long. As soon as it comes together and it looks nice and smooth, you can stop right there. We'll place it into our mixing bowl and we'll let it rise until it doubles in size. So here I have a baking tray with some parchment paper that I went ahead and prepped, and my dough has already doubled in size. So what I'll go ahead and do is release the air from the dough by just gently pressing it down, and I will cut this into 3 equal parts. You know, we're making plait bread, so we have to have 3 pieces, but I will save just a little piece and I'll show you guys what I'll do with it when we are done. So once you separate your dough into 3 equal parts, we'll go ahead and start rolling them out. You want to roll it into about, let's say 18 inches or so, or just roll it into whatever length you desire. Whatever length you want your bread in, that's the length that you roll it. And we'll go ahead and just plait our bread. Once you have your 3 pieces all rolled out into the same length, we'll go ahead and just seal the ends together just by pressing them down and tucking them in. Then we will begin to plait our bread one over the other until we reach the end, and we will again seal the other end by tucking it in. And that's it. Super simple and easy to do this, guys. It's not hard at all. So remember that piece that we saved in the beginning? You want to take that, roll it out into a finer length and just place it over top like so. Just tuck it in and that's it. I don't know the reason for us doing this, but this is the traditional way to make Guyanese plait bread. We will let this double in size again before we place it in the oven. Once the bread has doubled in size, we will now place this in a 350-degree oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. After about 25 minutes, this is how the bread is looking. Now I'll go in with some melted butter and I will brush the top to soften it up and just give it that nice shine. We will let this rest and then I will cut into it and show you guys how yummy it is on the inside. And now for the good part, I will slice into this and show you guys how yummy and soft the bread is. You know, if you see my camera shaking, please forgive me guys. It's my son. He's, you know, crying at the bottom of my leg and just pulling me, and that is causing the tripod to shake. So I'm sorry about that. But back to the bread. It is so soft and it is absolutely delicious. I hope y'all give this recipe a try. You can have this with your pepper pot, you can have it with your garlic pork, or whatever, you know, a sandwich, whatever you desire. So this is my easy and simple recipe for Guyanese plait bread. I do hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and let me know how you guys make your plait bread. I will be leaving all the ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Enjoy!